Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to use Microsoft Word to create your professional resume. Before we get into that video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, remote desktop licenses, Windows 10, Windows 11, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Now, if you don't already have Microsoft Word or Office installed, we have several videos on our channel dedicated to that, so feel free to check those out. With that being said, I'll go ahead and open up Microsoft Word. Specifically, I am using Office 2021, the standalone version for Windows. Now, here in the Home tab, I could create a blank document and I could start formatting this template myself. However, Word actually comes stock with a lot of different resumes, as we can see a few of them here at the top. I'm going to click more templates here, and in the search bar, I'll just type resume. Now I'm going to preview some of the different resumes here until I find one that I like. I like to keep my resumes very simple and clean. With that in mind, I'm going to select this one right here. As we saw, I just had to double click it, and now I'm in the editing section here of this template. You'll notice that the template already has the fonts in place as well. So I'll go ahead and start adding my information. Now, as you can see, I'm simply just highlighting the sections here, and it's automatically highlighting the entire section in which I can retype it manually. So I've started to add some basic information here. I added my name at the top. I've added videographer/filmmaker as the sort of role that I'm looking to get hired for. Now, I've started to fill in some of the other things here as well. So for example, I could put past job roles where I have been the content creator or videographer, and I could go ahead and continue to fill this out. Once I've edited the text, I can click to highlight just like I normally would on a standard blank document, and maybe I want to change up the fonts a little bit. All right, and once I'm happy with my document here, I'm actually going to save this as a PDF. So I'll go to File, Export, and I will click Create PDF/XPS. Here I'll select PDF, which is selected by default, and I'm just going to save this to my desktop. I'll click Publish, and now I can take this and submit it for job applications. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about using Word to create your resume, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Office or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas that you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.